Good afternoon. I'm Andy Peterson. I'm here with Trevor. Trevor and I and our team have been taking a lot of calls today asking about an insect that is killing soybeans. So we thought we'd provide some clarity. Dectes stem borer provide very little to no foliar symptoms. You can look at these plants. They are infected with Dectes stem borer. As you come down there, what you're going to see is how they work is they lay their eggs, and when the larvae go into the plant, the first indication you'll have is dead petigils, or you're going to have this scab. That's where the larvae go in. Next up, so we split this bean so you can see it. This bean actually has 2 infection points. You can see our scab here. You can see what they've bored here. Same thing happened. There's one there. He bored up here. The larva, Dectes stem borer larva, is right there. That's inside the plant. So as you go through this, you got to remember, a soybean is like a tree. The nutrients move up the outside of the stem. They're in the green. They're under the rind. So the risk with Dectes stem borer is more tied to harvest loss. So Dectes stem borer, as the borer gets ready to overwinter, they bore down the stem, they go in the ground. Your first indication usually is around the middle of October that you actually have potential yield loss is if the bean breaks off. This, which I broke and it's rough, will be like somebody cut it with a knife. It'll be dead smooth. And when you look down at the ground, the stub on the bean that remains will be dead smooth, but it'll have a hole in it. A lot of times you can see the worm frass when you look down at it, and then you can split that, and that will either be pupated or it'll still be a larva. So if you got any more questions about Dectes stem borer or any other thing you're seeing in your field, please contact Peterson Seed. Within this link title, there is an article for a UNL article explaining Dectes stem borer even more in depth. Thank you.